Open Premiere Pro. Open DaVinci Resolve. Look at the timeline. Dozens of clips stacked in rows. Keyframes crawling across every layer. A media pool bursting with takes. Color wheels, waveform scopes, and an inspector panel packed with parameters you probably will not touch today. This is what shipping a 2-minute product video still looks like for most SaaS and business teams. Hours of dragging, trimming, and nudging cursors, one file at a time, one aspect ratio at a time. Now watch a different screen. A single prompt box, a cream background, one line of text describing the video you need, and a few minutes later, a polished, on-brand walkthrough in 4K with captions, callouts, and narration already in place. The bottleneck was never your creativity. It was the timeline. Manual keyframing to zoom into a click, scrubbing to cut dead air between sentences, rebuilding the whole export when marketing asks for a vertical version, rewriting the script in a separate doc because your editor cannot read intent. Every traditional NLE assumes you want to touch every frame. Product and marketing teams do not have that kind of time. This is where Ngram changes the shape of the work. Go to ngram.com and sign up. You get 600 free credits to start, no credit card. You land in a chat, not a timeline. Drop in the URL to your PRD. Drag in a raw screencast of the feature. Type what you want the video to do, who it is for, and where it will live. Ngram reads the doc, studies the recording, and returns a script and storyboard before it renders anything. You review the plan in plain language. Shorten scene 2. Tighten the intro. Swap the CTA. No restarts, no rebuilds. Then it produces. Cursor movement is smoothed. Clicks get smart zooms. Dead air and stumbles are auto-cut. AI narration reads the script in a clean, technical voice, with lower thirds, step labels, and burned-in captions layered on top. Generated footage fills the gaps your screencast does not cover. And here's the part traditional editors cannot match. From that same prompt, Ngram exports a 16:9 walkthrough for your product page, a 9:16 vertical short for LinkedIn and TikTok, and a matching slide deck your sales team can drop into a follow-up. One project, 3 formats. Consistent brand kit, colors, and fonts across all of them. Teams at HubSpot, Zapier, Deal, Rocket Mortgage, and Viva already use Ngram this way. Stop wasting hours dragging clips on a timeline or struggling with complex Premiere Pro projects. Head over to ngram.com right now. Claim your 600 free starter credits and experience agentic AI video editing today. Hit that subscribe button on @ngram_AI for weekly AI video growth playbooks.